A man is literally what he thinks. Transcript. Speakers: Callum James, William Hollis. If you speak negativity into your life, negativity will show up in your life. What you speak, believe, and feel, you will become. I am tired. I am stuck in a dead-end job. I am going nowhere. All of these thoughts are doing you no good at all. Thoughts turn into beliefs, and beliefs control your life. Turn all that around and speak positivity into your life. The more you practice it, the more you will believe it. The more you believe it, the more it will become part of your identity, and then you will start acting like a person that has those things. James Allen once said, "A man is literally what he thinks. His character being the complete sum of all his thoughts." Your thoughts create our destiny. Affirmations work. Affirmations are great to kickstart your day. There is a scientific reason why. Our brains have a reticular activating system, also called RAS. The purpose of the RAS is to fill our awareness with things that we think about most, things that we believe to be true. So if you think about the color red and then look around your room, you'll notice red all around. Similarly, when you tell yourself that your life is amazing, or that you are rich, strong, and blessed, you'll find more and more amazing experiences as your life unfolds. Some of the greatest teachers of our time teach the power of affirmations. Tony Robbins teaches next-level affirmations, which are incantations. An incantation is essentially an affirmation with physical movement added. He says, if you want to create real change in your life, affirmations alone aren't enough. You can recite something uplifting, but if you aren't embodying it physically, then you are only skimming the surface. That's why incantations are so powerful. With incantations, not only are you speaking words of empowerment, you are using your body and your voice. You are changing your physiology and changing your state, and this can change everything. So you must not only write the affirmations, you must speak them. You must not only speak them, you must feel them as real. With every fiber of your body. Think, feel, believe, and you will become. Thanks for watching my video.